traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, very impulsive move down for the last month and a half or so. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 3. Nice 1, 2, and 3 pattern. Most likely we're in a wave 4 now. I would expect this wave 4 to make some sort of a three-way pattern down to the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement of wave 3 before we actually go up and make a wave 5. So definitely do expect this to be in a correction for these, definitely at least a minimum of 6 months. Going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly, very impulsive down. As you can see, this is actually only a wave A of a big ABC correction, which is likely to last at least I don't even think 4, I think probably more likely 6 to 8 months before this is actually over, all part of a wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very likely to keep on trending down because the last structure level is way up here. The market doesn't really end on something like that and just turn like that. The market needs to make that 3, 4, 5 shape before it actually ends a trend. So I definitely don't think the trend is over, and honestly, it could just keep on drifting down until you see that 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure on at least a daily to 4 hour time frame. I would only be looking for shorts at shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour, all the yen pairs definitely do have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it, so it probably is pretty likely that a pullback is coming. If it does go up, if it does break structure, then I definitely will be very excited, not to go long, but I'll be very excited because I know that I can go short again, most likely at the end of the correction for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, I personally am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, there's no guarantee just because you see 5 waves that the trend is going to end here. It may not end here. It could easily just keep on drifting down, no problem. But with the 5 wave shape, I think it is pretty likely that it probably will go up and at least take out the high wave 4, probably making some sort of a 3-way pattern. In which, like I said, if I do see a break up, I'm going to be very excited, not to go long, but gonna be excited to go short again at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the downtrend. If you are a scalper, then you could possibly try to go long if it does break up. But I definitely think that the bigger, better, more reliable trades are definitely going to be looking for shorts for the continuation of this big wave A of wave 4 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.